There is a huge sense of loss in all of us because of this pandemic. We are all facing anger, we are facing a sense of loss, we are even grieving for what it used to be, where we could meet friends, we could go out, step out, and do certain activities. And now, because of the pandemic, because of the masks, because of the physical distance that we need to maintain, things are just not the same. And I think that has created a sense of loss, a sense of grief, a sense of anger in all of us. But also, what I find is that this suffering is enhanced because we are also raging against things that are completely out of control. I'm Shivani Manchanda. I'm the counselor for positive mental health. And today I want to talk to you about what are the things that we can control, what are the things that we can influence, and what are the things that we have absolutely no influence or no impact over. So, if each of us were to draw our lives in terms of three concentric circles, so in the center are things that we can control completely. And what are those kinds of things? Those would be our thoughts, our actions, our habits, how we manage time, how we create goals, how persistent we are, how hardworking we are, or how we choose to respond to somebody when they speak to us in anger, or how we choose to behave when we are feeling helpless. And there is a lot of helplessness in all of us right now, but the choice is in our hand as to how we respond to that helplessness, how we respond to that vulnerability. So there is a area in our lives that is what we can control. There is an area in our lives which we can influence. So these could be things within our family, within our friend circle. So things we can influence, we cannot control them. We would like things to be different. We could talk to our friend and say, I was hurt because of this. Maybe you can do it differently. Or we can talk to our parents and express that I would like things to be slightly different. They may or may not agree, but you can discuss things with them. However, there is a huge element in all our lives, which is things that we have absolutely no control over. So one of the things would be when the pandemic will be over. None of us know. There is a huge amount of uncertainty, a lack of control. We don't know what is going to happen or how the world will respond to the vaccine, for instance, that might come out, and whether we would all be able to access it or not. So those are the uncertainties, those are the areas that we have no control over. So I have another diagram for you where I sort of talk about things that you can control, things that matter to you, and that is the circle where it joins together. That is the focus that we should all have. That is the area that we should be focusing on. So things that are important to me, things that I can control, and this is where our focus needs to be. So it is, of course, your choice. It is your life. Each one of us needs to decide how we want to respond and how we want to react to the different aspects in our lives. What is in our control is our choice. But I'm here, or the tip for the day is for you to see whether you can focus upon things that you can control, whether you can focus upon things that how you respond to certain things. Those are the choices that can determine whether you will comfortably come out of this pandemic with a lot of sanity, with a lot of productivity, or whether you would come out with bitterness, anger, which is not going to help you or anybody else. I'm Shivani Manchanda. I'm the counselor for positive mental health. And till we meet again, I would like you to think about what are the things that you can control and how can you go about living that life which is in your control despite the circumstances which are out of your control. So take care and please think about it. Goodbye.